Everybody, Mechanical Mechanic here. So this is a video on the steering wheel positioning sensor on a 2009 Yukon XL 5.3 liter. I thought my steering wheel positioning sensor was bad, and I did some research, and of course, lo and behold, the part is discontinued. Called every auto parts store, called the dealership, called GM itself. Oh boy, yeah, it's discontinued. People say pull it from a junkyard. Now, if your sensor just randomly fails and you didn't do anything to the vehicle, service-wise or anything, then yes, you're probably not in good shape. In my case, I was replacing something in the engine bay, had to disconnect the steering linkage, and the steering wheel rotated by accident. Damaged my clock spring. That was a $125 part to get repaired. Thought my steering wheel positioning sensor was bad as well. Long story short, I'm going to post a link in the video. A guy, he gave a pretty good description on how to fix it. I'm not going to show you mine now because I'm not taking it back out since I have it reinstalled. But you remove the sensor and you rotate it multiple times, and there's a sight glass on the sensor that will show a yellow indicator. Now, it's no mistaking, it's a little yellow dot. It's no mistaking at all. That has to be in that sight glass. And then there's a little arrow that lines up with a dot on a piece that rotates. And who is cutting grass this late? It is like 10 o'clock at night. Somebody is cutting grass. Wow. Anyways, those two have to align. If you don't have those, man, that guy's riding a lawnmower on the road. I cannot believe this. People are crazy. Anyways, those two have to align. Once you get those two aligned, you're good to go. Everything is good. I've used a piece of 035 welding wire in mine, and it works just the same as the spring that comes from the factory for the OEM part. Holds it in place, you put it in. Now, I'm going to see if I can get the keys to my vehicle and crank it and show you. See if I can rotate this video around. Oh well. As you can see, nothing. Only thing is the tire pressure light. I know those sensors are bad, but I don't care about that. I can look at my own tire pressure. It's done deal. Solved problem. So I will post that link in the video of the guy that shows the part in hand, how to align those 2 points, the circle and the yellow dot. Once you get those two aligned, you're good to go. So if you have any other comments, questions, please put it in the video below, and I'll be glad to help. Signing out, Mechanical Mechanic.